Let's start by designing the front of our holiday card. We have a clean, festive look with a red floral icon and a bold, Happy Holidays banner. Moving to the first inside panel, we'll replace the placeholder text with a personal message for the recipient. We'll type out a warm greeting from the whole team. Dear John, we wish you a very happy holiday. The whole team here miss you and hope to see you soon after the holidays. To give it the right feel, we'll experiment with different typography. After browsing through several styles, we'll settle on a clean, classic font. Now for the second inside panel. We're uploading a high-quality photo of a delicious holiday dessert to brighten things up. To make the photo more decorative, we'll use the Image Shape tool. By selecting the 18-point star, we transform the standard rectangular photo into a custom graphic element. On the back of the card, we'll add a small Made by credit. We'll move the text box to the bottom right corner for a professional touch. A quick jump back to the message panel to connect the note to our photo. Marianne made this cake, here's a photo for you. Finally, let's head back to the cover. We'll open the Format tab and bump up the Happy Holidays text for better impact. And there we have it, a fully customized holiday card. With the design complete, this horizontal style quarter-fold card is now perfectly formatted and ready for printing.